Hey everyone, I have this MYFITNESS brand crunchy peanut butter, so let's check it out. This one is 510 gram pack, MRP is $299, but we got it from Amazon for $198. That's 34% discount. Link is given in the description box and it has a shelf life of 2 years. This peanut butter has 26% protein, meaning the entire pack contains 136 gram of protein. And this is the crunchy variant, so it has very small crunchy pieces of peanuts. They are clearly visible and it gives a natural roasted peanut aroma. This peanut butter contains 83% roasted peanuts, 10% dark chocolate, and rest is salt, sugar, and stabilizer. The consistency of peanut butter is thick and creamy and it spreads easily. Taste, it's creamy with small crunchy peanut pieces and it tastes good even when you eat them raw. It has a mild sweetness and the taste of the chocolate is also very mild. You can clearly notice the roasted peanut flavor. You can spread it on your bread slice or use it in oats or smoothies. I even spread it on my rotis or paratha. One serving of 32 gram give you 8.6 gram of protein, 2.3 gram of added sugar which is negligible, and 0 trans fat. This is my third pack of MYFITNESS peanut butter and I have not noticed any oil separation so far. So overall a very good peanut butter, no complaint, definitely worth trying, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.